Welcome back. Your next step is to infuse Preno with the essence of your property by updating its details. Click on Update Property Details to begin. This information is the cornerstone of your guest's experience, appearing on receipts and communications. Now let's start with the basics. Your address and contact details. Take your time to make sure these are accurate. They represent your property's identity. Got all your details right? Fantastic. Now, let's make it truly yours by updating your business logo. This will add a personal touch to your receipts. Moving on to the nitty-gritty, tax details. Fill in the tax name and rates as applicable to your location. It's important to get this right for your financial records, so take your time. Now let's tailor your receipt template. Here you can customize the header and footer. Adding your website's URL is a smart touch here for marketing. And if you need it, the registration card template is here too. It's optional, but available for your convenience. And just like that, your property's personality is part of your Preno account. You're doing great. Step by step, we're getting closer to getting you all set up with Preno.